Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about camphor and how it can be used in our daily lives, mainly the benefits of camphor. I hope you know what a camphor is. We get it in this tablet form, in raw form, or in like the essential oils also. I hope you can see this. I don't know if it is clear, but you do get it in essential oils also. Now, camphor is commonly known as karpur or karpuram. From puja to skincare, from room freshener to essential oils, camphor is used in different forms, and it's widely used in India for prayers and rituals. The first time I actually saw someone using it was when my daughter was born. The elderly family member would take a big piece of camphor and would circle it around her 3 times anti-clockwise and 3 times clockwise, and then she would take it outside the house and burn it off. So while doing this, none of us were supposed to say a word. We all had to really stay calm and quiet. So, and guess what? The baby would sleep very well that night. So why do you think she did this? It's because I always noticed that when guests came home to see the newborn baby, they would naturally take the baby in their hands, pet her, play with her, and then go. But after they leave, the baby would cry a lot. And so what this elderly lady told me was, when they do the camphor ritual around the baby, it removes the negative energy from the aura and also removes the physical pain, and that's why the baby would sleep so well after this ritual was done. And the deeper I got into spirituality, the more I learned that I learned how camphor can help us all. So here's what I've learned, and I hope this will help all of you too. So when you burn or diffuse camphor, it releases fumes and fragrances that can actually uproot any negative energy that is present around you or in that area that you are. What happens is this magnifies the positive energy in that area, and the fragrance that it makes you feel peaceful because it has a very calming energy about it. When you feel anxious, stressful, and negative, just light a camphor and let the fragrance do the magic. It helps release all the blocks that have accumulated in your body. There are various techniques to manifest healing by using camphor. Here are some. You can use a tea light candle diffuser. You can either add a couple of drops of the essential oil, or take 2-3 tablets like I've shown this size, 2-3 tablets, and let the candle vaporize it. This purifies the air around you. You can also use the same method when you meditate too. The fragrance that is released when you do this can help you improve your concentration and promote a sense of calmness that you actually need when you meditate. It's good to burn camphor when you do your morning puja rituals, etc., especially in the house. When you burn it at the entrance, it is supposed to really remove the negative energy from the entrance of your house and bring in the positive energy. I know a few people who put a few tablets in water, a glass of water, and let it all dissolve, and then they sprinkle the water at the entrance of their house. This is supposed to bring in abundance and prosperity. Now, to cleanse your aura, take a big piece or 2-3 of these this size tablets and pass it around your body, head to toe, front and back, and this is exactly what the elderly lady did for my daughter. So what you do is, after you pass it around your body, burn it off. And the essential oil can be used to shield and protect your aura. Mix a few drops in your bath and have the final rinse. It is very good to protect your aura. The essential oil can also be used for your chakras, especially if you want to improve your intuition. Just take a very small drop in your ring finger and just go massaging like this around your third eye. It is supposed to help heighten your spiritual awareness. So guys, I hope you understood what the camphor can be used for. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please do click the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. So until we meet again, do take care. Bye bye.